Hi, BrenTech here, where tech is made simple. So if you're using Mozilla Firefox, then just to let you know that version 152 has just rolled out, which is now the latest stable version. And there's quite a lot going on in version 152, so just to dive straight in. So to check we have this latest update, we head to our main menu, Help, About Firefox, latest version build 152.0. Now, first of all, focusing on the security fixes that have rolled out. With this latest release, we get 40 security fixes that have rolled out. And out of the 40 vulnerabilities patched, 12 are high impact, which is rated just below critical. So nonetheless, an important security patch. So 40 security fixes have rolled out with version 152. Now, focusing on what's new. First of all, if we head into our Firefox settings, something I posted on a while back when it was in preview in the nightly has now made its way into the stable version, where Firefox settings, Mozilla says, features a brand new look with streamlined organization, clearer groupings, and improved navigation for easier customization. And that's now made its way into the stable. I quite like that, and this is looking very similar to what we get in Google Chrome and Microsoft Edge, here to the left-hand navigation menu for the settings. So Firefox settings features a brand new look. And just to mention the next new feature, Mozilla says that video controls like play, pause, full screen, mute, and loop are now available in the context menu, even on sites like Instagram and TikTok, where custom video players previously blocked access to them. And then for the next one, it's regarding in-private browsing windows, where Mozilla says you can now temporarily disable tracker blocking for a tab if it's causing a site to break. So when you reload a page where trackers were blocked, Firefox shows a message offering to reload without the stricter protections. All other tracking protections stay active, according to Mozilla. And here's an interesting one. And for this one, I'm just going to get a little bit of audio going here in the background. Now, this is interesting because Mozilla says with this new feature, you can now mute your browser from the address bar by typing mute, shush, or shh, and use the address bar quick action to silence every tab currently playing sound across all Firefox windows. So if I type in mute, here you'll see mute tabs playing audio, and you click on the toggle and that audio now is muted, which I do think is a nice move in the right direction. And if you are using the browser on macOS, Mozilla has improved support for more advanced cursor movement commands, including those relating to paragraph boundaries on macOS. And here's another interesting one. On Windows and Linux, you can now copy links via the tab context menu by right-clicking a tab and selecting Share, Copy Link, which Mozilla says makes it easy to copy a link without switching to the tab first. Just take note, when multiple tabs are selected, you can copy all selected links at once. Windows users, Mozilla says, still retain access to Microsoft sharing options from the Share menu. And I do think that's a nice little move. And for the next one, if we head to our customized toolbar settings, Mozilla's now got a Send tab, which is now available, which can be added via More Tools customized toolbar. So if I click on that, I can send that now to my other desktop. So that's just a shortcut for Send tab, which is also a little small, significant little improvement. And then the following languages are now available for translations: Basque and Galician. So that's 2 more languages available for translations. And for Firefox builds in Croatian, English, UK, Georgian, Persian, Slovenian, Tajik, Tamil, Tibetan, Turkish, Welsh, and Xhosa now come with a built-in dictionary for the Firefox spell checker. And then for Firefox Labs, there's a new Labs experimental feature that's become available, which I'm quite happy to see. And this has been in preview for quite some time and has now made it into the experimental section of the browser, where Firefox now offers support for the new JPEG XL image format, which generally provides better compression than WebP, JPEG, PNG, and GIF, and is designed to supersede them. And obviously you can enable it by just toggling on that setting, which I'm going to leave on because I think that's a nice move in the right direction. So guys, those are the new features that have rolled out in version 1.5.2. And just to focus now on some fixes, we get 1, 2, 3, 4 fixes rolling out. Just to go through these quickly. Mozilla has fixed an issue where the paste option could be missing from context menus when editing content on sites such as Squarespace, LinkedIn, and eBay. Mozilla has improved dragging images from Firefox to the desktop or Finder on macOS. Images now save reliably and land where you drop them. Nice to see. In multiple monitor situations, the About Firefox window now more reliably opens on the display with the most recently used Firefox window. So that's a nice little improvement. Mozilla has fixed the arrow key text navigation and word selection commands that moved in the wrong direction in right to left text on macOS and Linux. So those are the fixes that have rolled out. And then just to mention 3 changes that are rolling out with the browser. Site zooming via keyboard or mouse now offers more zoom levels. In smaller increments than before. Nice to see that. When a PDF or other file that Firefox opens directly finishes downloading, it now opens in a background tab if you've switched tabs or closed the original page. And then if we head to our sidebar, tabs from other devices, the tabs from other devices panel in the sidebar now lets you open tabs in a new tab or a new container tab from the context menu. So guys, that's more or less what's new in Firefox 1.52, which rolled out a short while ago today, as mentioned on the 16th of June. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.